Hey, Grow Hub family, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful productivity techniques out there that will help you stay focused, reduce stress, and skyrocket your efficiency, the Pomodoro technique. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. So, what exactly is the Pomodoro technique? The Pomodoro technique is a simple time management method that helps you break your work into focused intervals, usually 25 minutes, separated by short breaks. And no, it has nothing to do with cooking. Pomodoro, which means tomato in Italian, was created by Francesco Cirillo in the late 80s. He used a tomato-shaped timer to track his work intervals, and it quickly became a game changer for productivity. Here's how it works. You start by choosing a task you want to focus on. Set a timer for 25 minutes. That's one Pomodoro. During this time, you're 100% focused, no distractions allowed. No checking emails, no scrolling through social media, no jumping between tasks, just complete focus on your current project. Once the 25 minutes are up, take a short 5-minute break, stretch, grab a drink, or just relax for a bit. This helps recharge your brain and keeps your energy up throughout the day. After every 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. This longer break helps you reset so you're ready to dive back into work with fresh energy. Now, why does the Pomodoro technique work so well? Let's break it down. 1. Focus and clarity. The 25-minute blocks help you focus on one task at a time, which reduces overwhelm and improves clarity. 2. Boosts productivity. By committing to working in short bursts, you can often accomplish more than you'd expect. 3. Prevents burnout. The frequent breaks help prevent burnout by giving your brain a chance to rest before diving back in. If you want to get the most out of the Pomodoro technique, here are a few quick tips to make it work even better for you. 1. Plan ahead. Before starting your Pomodoro, identify the task you'll work on. Having a clear goal helps you stay on track. 2. Use a timer. Whether it's a physical tomato timer or an app on your phone, having a timer makes the method more effective. 3. Stay disciplined. During your 25 minutes, avoid multitasking or distractions. If something pops up, jot it down and deal with it after your Pomodoro. 4. Adjust for your needs. While 25 minutes is standard, feel free to experiment with different work intervals, like 50 minutes or even 20 minutes, depending on your energy. The Pomodoro technique isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but it's a simple, effective tool to help you get more done while avoiding burnout. Give it a try and see how it can improve your focus and productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Grow Hub for more tips on personal development, productivity, and growth. Let's level up together.